Oh, so sweet. I love it. Yes, come. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, girls! Ay, sagot tayo mati yan? No. Ay, sagot tayo. Hindi ka lo kundi pala de football, man. Hindi ka lo kundi pala de Liverpool. Hello.
Hey, happy birthday. Okay, let me get out of the way. Let me come over here. Get my angles.
Boat now?
Yeah. You're welcome.
Good.
Are you surprised?
I am. Now the eye patch was...
It got warm, yeah.
It got warm and then it was so dark, and then when I opened my eyes, I'm literally staring into the sun. So that's what kind of messed my eye up. But yeah, this is crazy.
We're celebrating 30 on the yacht.
Right? My dad's here.
Your dad's here, your mom's here, your family's here.
That's crazy.
It's an experience for everybody. Family out. You excited? Yeah? You excited?
Oh yeah.
Thanks for coming. That was a really good surprise.
And thanks for everything.
Of course. Mommy, it's Julia. Dance!
Cinch, baby!
On the yacht. Hey!
Goes out to all my players out there, man.
I'm so glad you're here.
Hello! Thank you for everything, Jay.
Of course. Look at the fam. Y'all want to come to the back for a second? Happy It's juice.
Alright, go. What's up? What's up?
It's juice.
Take all of it, man. There you go. Wow, you feel drunk? You feel drunk? Keep doing the 4 games. I know, right?
She just wanna refill and then she wanna start fights about.
How you feeling?
Great vibe.
Drunk? You drunk? You feel drunk? Huh? What's up with you? Why you look like you about to throw up? It's Miami, man. How you feeling? I want to talk to the camera.
Good, bro.
Oh, wait.
He's not ready.
Wait for Nance. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear JJ. Happy birthday to you. Woo!
Feliz cumpleaños.
Yay!
Yeah.
30! Yeah, Mom!
Hey, Mario.
Mario, reach forward.
You gonna smell it.
Yeah!
No.
He said not too many before me. I'm like, I don't even know. I don't. Oh, come on, Dan.
It's water.
Look at Woody running away. He said, don't you even try to pass that to
There
me.
you go.
Yay! Happy birthday! Yay!
Yeah.
Jay, look over here!
Here we go. That was an extra band I threw.
These are the booby trap dolphins! They came all the way from the river. Woo!